Hello everyone. After list, tuple and sets, let's see what is dictionary. The first thing that comes in mind when you hear word dictionary is the Oxford Dictionary, where you can look up the meaning of words. So you can imagine how dictionaries works. A dictionary is a collection of words along with their a definition or explanation. At a broader level, you can describe dictionary as a mapping of words with their synonyms or meanings. Let's see how dictionary works in Python. Dictionary stores element as a key and values. So dictionary generally creates a key value pair where key works as an index and values is a value of that for that index. Okay, these keys are always unique and immutable. Values in the object can contain any information. Values are accessed using their keys. Each key is followed by a value separated by a colon. Like this, as you can see here, this is a key value pair. This is key, India is a key, and INR is its value, which is separated by colon. Okay. The values can be immutable, mutable, or duplicates. Okay. Each key and value pair is separated by a comma enclosed inside a curly braces. So to create a dictionary, we have to give this curly braces at the beginning and at the end of the dictionary. And we have to pass this colon to separate the key and values. So these key values are closed in, means inside the dictionary, but how to access the values? So to access the values, we have to use this key. You can access values using this key. Okay, as I wanted to know the currency of India. So this is a dictionary with country as keys and currency as its value. Okay, so I have three keys: India, USA, and France with their currencies as values. So I wanted to know what is the currency of India. So what I'll do is I will give this key as an index for this dictionary. So D of India will give me the currency, like what is the value of that key. So I got here INR. So as these values I can change, like I can assign different values because these are values are mutable in dictionary. So if I run this, you can see here I replace this RS in place of this INR. Okay, so now these kind of things are possible. Means we can perform these operations for the dictionary. Okay, now as we can as we already see, we can replace the values for a given key, but also we can add a new key value pair in a dictionary. So simply what we do is we will assign some key and then we will assign some value to that key. See, so here you can see at the end we got this Japan with its currency, but this is not in the ordered position. Like this keys are in order. Like the location of these keys can be changed. Okay. Now, similar to the addition, we can delete the values key value pair from the dictionary. To delete these values, we use del function. Using del, and we pass here key, and hence it will delete all the key value pair for that particular country. So I tried here to delete the key value pair for this France. So you can see this France and euros got removed from this updated dictionary. Okay. So similar to that, we have a sorting function, but as this is in ordered data, so how this sorting will work here? So if we use sorted with D, so it will sort all the keys inside a dictionary in the ascending order based on their ASCII values. Okay, so we got India, Japan, and USA in the order. Okay. Similarly, if we want to access, means if we want to check what are the values available in the dictionary, we use dot values function. Okay. See, we got all the values available inside this dictionary. So we got all the possible currencies for this country, like all the currencies in this dictionary. Okay. And similar to this, we have dot keys to access all the keys in this function in this dictionary. Okay. uh, Along with that, if we wanted to update any information like any value, then we can use this update function as well. similar to this. Here we have used this India RS, means we replace INR by RS. So similar to that, we can use this update function to replace this information. So the main agenda behind using dictionary is that, so suppose you have employee data and you have unique value ID and you wanted to access the data. If you store it into the list or tuple, so in that scenario it will be difficult to access the information for a particular employee. If you want to fetch the information, we have to remember the serial number or index of that particular employee. But in case of dictionary, either we can use the person's name or the employee ID to access the data. Means it is very easy to fetch the data if it is stored in the form of dictionary. Okay, so that's it for the dictionary. Thank you.